Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and turn on that notification bell. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite non-retwist lock style. So I'm going to be using my hydration mist and Royal Crown hair growth oil to achieve my look. I'm going to start by spraying my hydration mist on the back part where the ponytail is going to go, just to give the hair some elasticity. And brush. Now I'm going to spray the front part to get it a little hydrated. Brush those edges and brush all those flyaways down. We can't be going nowhere looking crazy. We got to have our locks slick. Like, yeah, we could do it. Keep brushing, because you know as natural girls, our hair will just curl right on up. So just keep brushing. Now we're just going to take our hair and roll it to the back, grabbing locks as we go, like a flat twist. We're going to take it off and roll it to the back and secure it so you can do the other side. And we're going to repeat the same step on the other side with the hydration mist. And you guys, these are my products: Royal Crown hair growth oil and my hydration mist. I will be leaving my website information if you guys want to go over to my website and shop all natural ingredients hair care products. I have hemp lip balm. I have edge control as well. So if you guys would love to go over and shop our wonderful products, you are more than welcome. And then we're just going to roll this side as well. Roll it, smooth it out as you roll it. Keep those edges laid, baby. Now you're going to take both pieces and combine them with the ponytail that you already had put in your hair. And make sure your hair is still right and tight. So when you put your ponytail in, everything will be secured. But yeah, y'all, this is my little quick no twist go-to style. Yes, y'all, this is my little quick go-to style. Y'all, little 360 going on. But yeah, this is my little quick no twist go-to style. Cute, nothing major, but cute. And I'll put my edge control on there. This is on the site as well. So if you like to shop any of our products, just go on over to our website. You go on over to my Instagram and click the link in the description box, and it will take you directly to my website. Yeah, my edge control gives you a 72-hour hold, and it smells delicious. I'm gonna apply some of my hair growth oil just so my hair will not get dry or starts itching. Very, very, very good oil, so I recommend you to try it. Go throw this scarf on there to lay everything, have it laid. And voila, y'all, this is the finished product. So cute. I love this style. You could dress it up, dress it down, wear it every day, whatever you choose to. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and head over to my website to shop these amazing all natural ingredients hair growth products. And just visit my website anyway. I have waist beads, pre-made crochet pieces. So yeah. Give me that.